Okay, in this video, we're going to factor the following expression, and we're going to use method 1, simple grouping pre-AC. And in the description box of this video, there's a playlist where I go over several methods, including this method here. And so let's begin. So we care about A times C. Now, our A term is the coefficient in front of the x squared, so 2 times C. Our C's are constant, so negative 6. So A times C is negative 12. Our B term would be the coefficient for our x term. So that's just going to be negative 1. Now A times C represents multiplication and B represents addition or sum. And so we think to ourselves, what two number multiply to give us negative 12 but add to give us negative 1? And that's going to be negative 4 and 3. Because negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. And negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. Now this method incorporates grouping, and we're about to see that. So let me rewrite what we have. We have 2x squared plus, instead of saying negative x, I'm changing it to negative 4x plus 3x. And that's the same thing. Negative 4x plus 3x is negative 1x. And we still keep our negative 6. And now we're going to do our grouping part. We're going to group the first two pieces and the last two pieces. So we have 2x squared minus 4x, close it, in between put a plus sign, parentheses, 3x minus 6. And now we're going to factor this piece and this piece. So we look at this piece. They both have an x in common, so we'll take out an x. In addition, each piece we could divide by 2. So the greatest common factor would be a 2x. So we say 2x times something gives us 2x squared. That's going to be x. 2x times something is negative 4x. That's going to be negative 2. Close it. Now we say plus. Now we have this piece, 3x minus 6. Now the greatest common factor of 3x and negative 6 would be 3. We know that because each of these numbers you could divide by 3 and you will still retain a whole number. 3 times something gives us 3x, that's going to be x. 3 times something is negative 6, that's going to be negative 2. And so you notice x minus 2 is identical. Whatever is identical, we're going to copy it one time, x minus 2, close it. Then we do another parentheses, I call this the leftovers, 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. And this right here is your final answer. But we can always check. X times 2x is 2x squared. That works. X times 3 is 3x. Negative 2 times 2x is negative 4x. 3x minus 4x is negative 1x. And then negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And it works. And if you want more practice, check out the description box for more videos.